The Midwest, Limerick, Clare and North Tipperary has been discriminated against when it comes to hospital service. You look at the South East, Model 4, Model 3, Model 3. We have one Model 4. And I speak about this from personal experience. On the 22nd of October last year, I stood here, more or less given live evidence of why elderly people are afraid to go into UHL. And it was about my own father. And I had to convince him out there to get in an ambulance at his house. And he said, "Alan, I'll never come out of it." He never did. He came home to die, despite the best care. But what's on my conscience is the fact that he went in there afraid. My mother is in Nina Hospital at the moment. She will not be put into UHL because at this moment in time I won't let it. It's nothing to do with the workers, it's nothing to do with the management. It's to do with the circumstances we have been discriminated against by in the Midwest. I stand here with lived experiences. A few months ago, my wife got very sick. It was 4 in the morning. I rang somebody who's working in the HSE, asked for advice. They said, go to Portlaoise. I'm about 25 minutes from UHL. Went to Portlaoise. That is what we all in the Midwest are facing. And now we have a HICRA report. Why HICRA are even doing this report is beyond me in relation to hospital services. It's as clear as the nose in my face what needs to happen. Myself, Conor Sheehan and all the other Midwest politicians can't be another generation that lets down our area. We need a new Model 3 hospital with full emergency theatre and ICU in the Midwest. Full stop. And if that means we are going to build a unit for 100 beds to deal with capacity at the moment and then wrap a hospital around it, well then that's what we need to do.